My name is David, and this is my son.
Yeah.
This is Elias' camera. This is the Lumix G7. That is my camera, the X5 Mark II-X. I used Elias as BTS of one of my shoots. I was shooting a 1-year picture for my daughter, and I gave Elias this camera just to see what he can do. And I was blown away by the pictures Elias took. Like, Elias took some, I just showed him what to press, and this guy just went to town. The pictures you're going to see will be pictures taken by Elias. Some of my pictures will be in between. So if you check down, you see Elias and you see David, so you can know who took a particular picture. So I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.
Let's go.
Peace out. Snap it. Again. All right, let's go. Drops the picture of flowers.
If you take your playground over there.
Not now.
Daddy, please.
You go, I'll take you to the playground and let's go closer. Yes. Got the beautiful flowers. You like the flowers? Yeah. What's up? Nice to see you. That's my boy.
How are you, brother?
Good.
Good? Good?
Hello.
Now you take picture?
Yes. He said he wants to come and take pictures. So
Yes.
what will I do? I have no option. He said,
Yes.
Dada, I want to go and take picture. Let's go and take picture. Oshadari. OSA.
S-A.
D-A.
D-A-R-E.
R-E. Yeah. Yeah, and search. Yeah. Yeah, don't take the picture. Oh, it has gone. Now, snap it again. Yeah, good boy. Let me see if that I can snap as well. Did you take it?
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I can see.
this is the Lumix G7. Yeah, and this is Lumix S5 Mark II-X. I like this one. I prefer this one to that one. You're looking forward. Yeah. Point it towards it. You put it in the middle. Okay, again. Yeah. Take a picture of yourself. Looking funny. Beauty.
Mouth. It's a mouth. It's a mouth.